Hello everyone, today I am going to show you create a how to create sketch and use it multiple times by using the sketch palette. So we are opening the Creo. Then first you have to close the browser and open. Not open. First select working directory from desktop. I have created a work one. Okay. Now create a new part and use is w1. Okay, and when we have to select any of the template solid part mks. Okay, and now we can create any sketch here, like you can hide our sketcher coordinate and plans also. And I am showing you how to create a sketch and use it multiple times. So I am creating a sketch which I have to use multiple times. Circle, circle, circle. Okay. Now we can give a relations for this. Just we can give symmetric relations, like this will be symmetric to this, and this will be symmetric to this. Okay, now we will drag. So here is some, also give symmetric to this. Okay, now when we drag, it will completely symmetric. Okay, now we give dimension. Okay, this is 50, and we'll also give this dimension. Like we have to delete one dimension. Okay, we can give the diameter of this like 20, and we reduce this size like 25 and 25. Okay, now we can click reduce the size of this scale. Okay, and using the trim command, just click where you want the geometry. Okay, now you have created, and click all the dimensions, sketch dimension, and lock it. Okay, then in the sketch, we are currently in the sketcher environment, and now I am going to save this sketch as a save a copy, and selecting the working directory. I can give the name of this SEC1 sec1. Okay, this is saved to the working directory. Now I can close it, and or I can close it or save. Okay, extrude. I'm going to do extrude, and first of all you have to open and press Ctrl D. Control D for default orientation. Extrude, placement, define, sketch plane. You open the datum text. I'm going to sketch on top and sketch. Just create a basic rectangle here. Give center lines. Center lines make it symmetric to the, sorry, just click these points to make centric. Okay, the middle mouse to exit the constraint. Now we dimension it 100 by 75. Okay, now fit. We have to off the datum for clear visual. So now I am telling how to use plate tool for inserting our custom sketches in the sketch. Okay, so I can insert it here and just scale to the one and place it here and okay. Now I close the sketcher palette and okay, my sketch is placed here. Now I can give the dimension of this from here, like 25 is okay, and this will be also 20 or 15. Okay, I am going to give it 18. Okay, just okay it, and now you can see here that you can create extrude, or just another method I can edit definition and just edit the sketch, and I will remove this area, just okay. Okay, then again in the next sketch sketch use previous. I can also insert sketch here by this by the sketcher palette, and also I can insert sketch by file systems, which will directly uh, link to our working directory. You can also place sketch from any other folder, but now I am going to place this open and again place it here. Okay, just scale it 0.5 for current. Okay, and just click OK. Then now you can give the dimension for this sketch like 15, and you can also give this dimension 25. Okay, now you can mirror it, or you can just copy paste it also, like you can copy paste sketches in, you can move it again it by clicking this sketch. So we are not moving, so just we make this by control C, control V. So if that control paste command is active, now I am going to place this sketch here, and now again the paste tool is came, and I am clicking OK. Now I can define dimensions again of this 15, and this is 25. Okay, now I click OK, then my sketch is created. Now I can extrude this and just remove material through the next, or through the selected. Okay, okay, so you can see that how to create a sketch and save that sketch to any palette. And you can also insert by file system also. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.